Grabe yung init ngayon, sobra. I will show you my summer essentials. And this includes also yung aking oily skin essentials. So today I will discuss some of the products, most of the products or all of the products that I used for this season. Kasi guys, sobrang init ngayon and sobra. I mean, umaabot tayo minsan ng 42 degrees, 41, 42 degrees. Sobrang init nun. As in, parang yung skin nyo hindi na mapakali. And today, alam nyo, talagang gusto kong gawin to. Dapat may mga reviews akong i-upload, but today I will have a in-depth video for you guys para makatulong din sa inyo in this season that we have. Plus also, itong mga products na to are tested for those who have oily skin. But if you're not oily, okay din to kasi summer ngayon. So most probably pinagpapawisan kayo. Iba ang timpla ng kutis nyo ngayon. So yun, i-discuss ko siya sa inyo isa-isa. And yun. So, let's get started. For my skin, guys, pag ako katatapos ko lang maligo, I always start with toner. Very important, guys, that you have a toner. I'm still using the same thing, and this is the Celetec Dermoscience Acne Solution Oil Control Toner. Ito, nakakatulong to talaga sa pag-control ng oil. Plus, this also helps me kasi etong season na to, usually nagkaka-rashes talaga ako pag sobrang init. I don't know why, especially sa mukha, like in this area, lalo na dito, yan, lagi akong may rashes dyan. And eto talaga nakakatulong sa akin in, alisin yan. Kasi usually pag ako nagkaka-rashes, hindi ako naglalagay ng moisturizer kasi baka lumala eh. So, ang ginagamit ko lang is this Celetec Oil Control Toner and acne solution na rin siya at the same time. And absolutely, after 2 days, mawawala na yan. So, minsan kasi, pag hindi ako gumagamit nito or I just make my skin relax from all the moisturizers, from the toner and all that, usually, mga 5 days bago maalis sa akin. But, na-discover ko na pag ginagamit ko pala to, eto lang ha, it will help me with that. Most probably, kayo rin nagkakaroon kayo ng encounter na iba yung skin nyo pag summer. Sobrang iba. So, this will help you and it helped me a lot. And then, for my moisturizer, guys, very important na this summer and this skin that I have, since na-discover ko tong product na to, ito na yung ginagamit ko talaga. So, this is the Ardent Gluta-C Intense Whitening Facial Day Cream, Whitening plus Anti-Aging with SPF 25. Ito na yung ginagamit ko ngayon is because ito talaga nakakatulong sa oil control ko. Pag ginagamit ko siya as a base for a powder na hindi masyadong mattifying, nakakatulong to. Kung mag-oil up man kayo sa kanya, it's not because of the product. So, regular oil lang yun pinuproduce ng skin nyo pag ito yung gamit nyo. Hindi siya nakakapag-contribute dun sa oil na pinuproduce ng skin nyo. Kaya gustong-gusto ko siya. Plus, since summer ngayon, SPF 25 will truly help you kasi sobrang init nga. Sobrang init and talagang kailangan nyo ng SPF. And SPF ngayon, sunscreen, lahat na kailangan nyo kasi ang araw ngayon, again guys, ang araw is #1 cause of aging. Good thing about this is that it's also anti-aging, plus it's whitening at the same time. And also, it has SPF na talagang makakatulong sa inyo in darkening. Plus, it's moisturizing at the same time. Tamang-tamang moisturize lang siya. This truly helped me a lot in controlling the oil, plus preventing my skin from the harmful rays of sun. And for my eye cream, guys, I still use the same thing. This is the HBC Body Recipe Eye Cream with SPF 15. Bumalik ako dito, kaya lang paubos na siya eh. So, bibili ako ulit. Bumalik ako dito for this season or for this summer season because it has SPF 15. Plus, it's really moisturizing. Etong areang tong guys, etong areang to ay super duper dry yan. So, this will help you moisturize kasi pag nilagay nyo to sa skin nyo or sa under eye area nyo, talagang it will relieve dryness. Kasi super duper moisturizing to. So, I super love it. Kasi again, guys, yan ang unang-unang etong under sa mukha, guys. Etong under eye natin, ayan ang unang-unang nag-age. At siya ang unang-unang nagkakaroon ng wrinkles. So, a good moisturizer, eye moisturizer plus with SPF will help you this summer season. And also guys, this is very important. I suggest you guys to go ahead and buy. It is also very important guys that you refresh your eyes. This season na sobrang init guys, your eyes will surely dry up. Magda-dry up yan and it will cause like irritation sa eyes. I have very sensitive eyes na madali akong medyo mamula yung mata ko eh. Konting pollution lang, konting namumula yung mata ko. Kung hindi man kayo ganon, kailangan nyo pa rin to kasi again, pag summer season, may tendency na mag-dry yung eyes nyo. So, I always use this. This is Vicene Refresh Eye Drops. So, ginagamit ko to just to moisturize the eyes. And for weekly basis, guys, I suggest you guys to have a cold mask. Ibig sabihin, yung mga mask nyo, regular mask, kahit anong ginagamit yung mask, okay lang yan. If you're using, except for those masks na peel off type, hindi yun pwede. Ganito yung sachet that is moisturizing at the same time. Ilagay nyo to sa ref. Then, on a weekly basis, ilagay nyo to sa ref. Then, on a weekly basis, bago kayo matulog, put it in your face just to, to relieve your skin, face skin sa stress. Kasi yung malamig na to, yung moisturizer na included sa mga face mask nyo, pag malamig siya, mas lalong nakaka-refresh, mas lalong active yung ingredients na nandun sa product or sa face mask nyo. So, I suggest you guys, kung mag-face mask kayo on a weekly basis, i-ref nyo muna yan. 1 week nyo siyang i-ref. And surely guys, na it will refresh your skin, it will relieve your skin from stress. For body naman guys, I truly suggest you to have a moisturizing lotion, plus it should have an SPF. Pag malamig guys, at saka pag mainit, nakaka-dry yan ng skin. Both nakaka-dry ng skin. So, So, you should have a body lotion that is moisturizing, plus it also should be sunscreen protected. Ibig sabihin, sun protected ang type niya. Like, I'm using the same thing. This is the Ardent Gluta-C Intense Whitening Body Lotion kasi this has SPF 25, plus it's whitening at the same time. And very important kasi ito, very in between moisturizing siya kasi again, I have a dry arms and legs. So, very dry yung part na yan sa akin and I always go back to this kasi again, this is a medium type moisturizing lotion. Plus, it's whitening and it has SPF 25. So, it truly helped me a lot this summer. And pinapartneran ko siya, after 15 minutes of applying this, pinapartneran ko siya ng sunscreen. Ito, this is Aveeno Active Natural Sunscreen Lotion with SPF 30. Protects from UVA and UVB. This will surely help you guys. It will truly help you guys in, protecting your skin from the harmful rays of sun. Kasi again, 40 degrees is not a good sun. It's not a good sun, guys. Hindi siya nakakatulong. Oh my God, kahit anong araw yan, masakit yan sa kutis at masisira ang kutis nyo. So, I suggest you guys, especially in this summer season, go ahead and get a sunscreen para it will protect you from the harmful rays of sun. Kasi very important to have a lotion that will moisturize you and to have a sunscreen that will protect you. Okay, this summer season, guys, I don't want to use deodorant. Why? Kasi some of the deodorants that I use, though it says that it's antiperspirant, ngayong sobrang init na to, guys, talagang kailangan ko ng extra protection from that and also from the pawis. And currently, I'm using the Milko Magic Puff. Ang cute-cute nito kasi it has a parang powdery type siya kasi meron siyang puff plus andun yung powder, tawas powder sa loob. And gusto ko to kasi it truly helped me a lot in amoy, number 1. And also, it really helped me in perspire or pagpapawis ng kilikili. And anti-smell, yun ang pinaka-importante. A good product para hindi mag-contribute sa pangingitim ng kilikili. So, this summer season, eto ang well-trusted ko talaga kesa sa deodorant. Kasi, again, kung meron kayong deodorant that is anti-perspire na very well-trusted nyo, go for it. Pero, make sure that is unscented. Why unscented? Kasi this season, guys, this 41 degrees, 40 degrees Celsius na weather natin, yung amoy na yan, yung scented deodorant nyo, mag-iiba amoy yan. Trust me, I've done this, done that, all that good stuff. For those who are, you know, teenagers, this will help you. Okay, for the makeup, guys, ako, this summer season, I don't want to go overhead sa makeup. It's because naguhulas lang siya. Etong 40 degrees, 41 degrees, you don't want to wear too much makeup because I'm sure of, guys, this season, eto, kung nag-makeup kayo, malamang nairita kayo by the end of the day kasi medyo, alam niyo yun, mabigat na sa pakiramdam yung init ng araw plus mabigat pa yung makeup nyo. It will irritate you, especially kung nag-work kayo outdoors or may outdoor activity kayo or kayo nag-aaral, going to school, very mainit talaga. So, ako for this season, I don't wear makeup but for the purpose of beautifying. So, I have few products that I will recommend to you that you can use. The first one that I use for my BB cream is this Muse or Mousse BB cream with SPF 50, PA+++, tatlong plus to, so plus points. I'm in the color light beige. Gustong-gusto ko to kasi hindi to nakaka-contribute sa oil, guys. Hindi talaga siya nakaka-contribute sa oil. Plus, ang ganda ng kutis kapag ito ginagamit ko. Plus, the SPF 50 will truly help you in this season, especially when you're going out of the sun. Ako, eto lagi kong ginagamit at ang bango-bango nito, guys. Sobrang bango nito. And this will cost you 99 pesos only. Sa Mercury ko lang siya nabili and sa Mercury pa lang siya meron. So, I truly love this. Go ahead in your Mercury kasi this is a must-have and a must-try. It will protect you from the harmful rays of sun and protect you from pangingitim. Plus, kasi it has SPF 50, plus it will give you a good skin. Parang pine-perfect na lang yung skin nyo. And a good thing about this also is that it will not contribute in the oil. Sometimes, pag ako ginagamit ko to and I don't have any moisturizer, just to test it out, minsan nakokontrol niya nga yung yung oil produce ko o yung pagpo-produce ng oil ng skin ko. So, a must try for those who have oily skin. At kahit hindi kayo oily skin, a must try for you guys. Go ahead and get this kasi I super love this. So, it will protect you from the sun and give you a good skin and all that good stuff. So, go ahead and try Muse or Mousse BB cream. For this season also, if you don't want to go on a makeup, especially ako, sabi ko nga kanina, hindi ako masyadong ma-makeup pag ganito kainit. Pero I wanted to have a little something. Like this skin, I don't have any makeup on, guys. I just have a blush on, a lip, not a lipstick, but a lip tint, and then I just did a little details on my eyebrows and a curler and a mascara. Yun lang ang meron ako. For this season, bench pretty when pinch. Parang natural lang ang pagiging mapula nyo. And also, ginagamit ko rin siya sa lips. And this is what I'm currently using right now. This summer season, a must try for you guys. Kasi this will not contribute sa oil sa skin. Plus, it will give you a little something sa skin. Like a good cheeks and a good lipstick or a lip tint for you guys. And also, very natural looking kayo. A must try. If you don't want to wear makeup, might as well use this kind of product. Kahit hindi ito, a well-trusted cheek and lip tint will help you this summer para, again, to give you a little something. This, hindi siya agad-agad mawawala. So, it will stay with you the whole day. So, gustong-gusto ko siya. Also, guys, very important in this season, kung hindi man ito yung product, yung oil essentials ko ang ginagamit nyo or you have other products that you use and medyo oily kayo, ako kahit na itong product ang ginagamit ko, sometimes I oil up. And no, not sometimes. Every day I oil up. So, a good blotting sheet will help you. Oil control blotting sheet will help you. I'm still using the same thing. This is Gatsby Oil Control Sheet. And throughout the day or oil this summer season, this really helped me in, taking off that oily skin. And then, naubos to, guys. As you can see, wala na siya. Ubos na siya. So, pumunta ako malapit dito sa amin pumunta ako sa 7-Eleven, pumunta ako sa mini stop. My gosh, wala ng oil sheet or blotting sheet. So, na-rush yung puso ko. And I discovered something. Alam nyo ba, etong sponge na to na hindi nyo ginagamit kasi you have brushes. Eto hindi yung malalaking hindi yung puff na may malalaking pores. Hindi yon. I got this one from my Sansan press powder na very ano siya eh. Ayan siya. Very stiff. Alam nyo ba, na kung wala kayong blotting sheet, get this and you will not use a blotting sheet anymore. Kasi oh my gosh, I just discovered this. And ilagay nyo lang siya sa skin nyo. I-press nyo lang siya. And aalisin nyo yung oil sa skin nyo. So, na-discover ko lang to currently na kahit hindi nyo pala, may use din pala to. Kasi usually ito, tinatapon ko na to eh. So, hindi ko siya ginagamit. This is a good discovery, guys. This truly helped me a lot. Ngayon, hindi ko na kailangan bumili ng blotting sheet dahil dito. So, this will truly help you kasi it's just the same. Same, guys. It will take off the oiliness in your skin. And, yun. So, you can wash this every day before going to sleep. Kinabukasan tuyo na to. Mga 15 minutes yata, tuyo na to eh. So, this will truly help you. Kung wala kayong powder or wala kayong naka-impact na ganito, go ahead and get, sa Watson's meron ito eh. Yung ito lang ang mabibili nyo. So, go ahead and get this kasi it will truly help you. You won't be needing a blotting sheet anymore because of this. But, I will still buy kasi for review purposes. Anyway, so, ito will truly help you. And also, this season, very important to have a powder or a pressed powder that will help you in this oily season, in this summer season. And I truly trust etong Simply Pretty Shine No More Loose Shaker Powder or the pressed powder. You can also buy it kasi ako talagang fan ako nito eh. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, but it really helps in controlling my oil sa skin. So, dalawa yan. I have two. I have the loose powder and I have the pressed powder. I'm in the color Soft Beast nga pala. Pero for the powder, I use almond and yun. And also, well-trusted ko din tong Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in Translucent. Ito ang well-trusted ko this season. So, go ahead and try them. And yeah, basically guys, that's it. All of the products that I mentioned in this video, you can get almost alternative for that. If you have a well-trusted moisturizer, powder, and all the things that I mentioned in this video, go ahead and use that kung wala kayo nito. But, if naghahanap kayo ng products to use, ito yung mga products na pwede nyong gamitin or pwede nyong itry for this season and for oily skin as well. So, and all the products that I mentioned in this video will be in the description box. And yun. Again guys, you don't have to use or you don't have to buy everything that is mentioned in this video. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung aking essentials for you to have a visual and also for you to have an idea of what to use or what to try the next. So, yeah, basically that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please do give me a big thumbs up. And also, kung di pa kayo nagsusubscribe, hit the subscribe button and be part of my family. And also, follow me around in my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And Snapchat, I'll be linking that in the description box. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this. And have a great day and happy day too. Enjoy the summer, guys. And make sure that you drink a lot of water. Very, very important. Drink a lot of water and bring a payong with you, okay? Thank you. Have a great day and happy day too. Bye! I'll see you soon.